Another beautiful Monday morning, and we are in the markets. This is Jets Forex. This is Sir J, and it's a wonderful position that we're in, and we are pleased that we have taken such a position early in the morning through our strategy that we teach here at jetsforex.com. You see here structure, money structure. Large institutions sold. We're on a downtrend. Our Agimat is there, and we are waiting for a parabolic SAR to confirm, so we don't have to get out. So we teach you when to get in and when to get out. That's very, very important, if you will, in this market. If you would like to learn these strategies, if you will, go on jetsforex.com or visit our YouTube channel, Jets Forex. And don't be afraid to email us or call us, contact us, and we'll get your package up and ready to take advantage of the Forex market. Again, this is Sir J signing out. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great day. All the best to you.